Hello everyone, my name is Ivona. Question: why do you think our company should hire you specifically amongst our pool of candidates? Sure, I think own skill set I have involves my background in education. Teachers are among the highest strived professional in the workplace. In this company, it offers a number of products that help alleviate sticks by guarding people outdoors. And teachers have a lot of downtime in summers. My thinking is that once I learn the ropes, advance with the company, I'll be able to market the services and products this company offers.